What's good with y'all? Raw TV back again another video. This is gonna be an interesting video. Right now we're gonna be talking about entrepreneurship and the great things about being an entrepreneur, and I'm gonna show you some tips on how to actually start making money from being an entrepreneur. So if you guys are new to my channel, please consider like and subscribe. I go by the name Raw TV. We're talking about basically ways for you to get free on your financial journey, so you won't have to always sacrifice your time and your fruits of your labor to these companies. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So just to give you all a background real quick, in case y'all just stumbled across my channel, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm also a music artist, and I run a clothing brand called Tattoos Tell a Story. You know what I'm saying? You can check out the links if you want to check out the website, support. You know, we just got new dad hats, snapbacks. But in this video, we want to talk about entrepreneur. A lot of people they see what I'm doing on the outside, and it looks cool, like just look cool. I'm like, yeah, I want to do that stuff. So one thing, you gotta have a mindset of being this entrepreneur. It's kind of like a mental thing. So you kind of gotta have a hunger for it, a passion for it, and you really gotta love doing it, because during this stage you're gonna have some hard times and you're gonna take a lot of losses, y'all. What's that quote say? You gotta take a loss to be a boss. That's a fact. Like, if you're investing in something, you're investing in something that, one, is your dream. So nobody's gonna invest in your dreams. So you're investing in your own ideas, your own intellectual property, whatever you thinking in your head. So not a lot of people, like families and friends, is not gonna want to support you, especially when you first doing it. They're gonna say like, no, get a job, because that's what they're doing. They're working a job and they're going to school to get an education and stuff. So a lot of people gonna kind of already look at you different, and they're not gonna want to support you. So that's even worse for you, because now you like, damn, you're killing my motivation, you're killing my dream, you're killing my aspiration. So what you got to do is, you basically got to just do it quietly. So you kind of got to just show people with actions instead of words, because anybody can sit here and talk about doing what they want to do, but you need to put some action towards them words. You know, you got that one friend that's always talking like, yeah, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. A year go by, nothing happens. 2 years go by, nothing happens. 5 years, 10. You start to realize this person is just love to hear himself talk, but don't put no action. So part of being an entrepreneur, you got to put a lot of action. More action than talking, actually. You got to just show people that you really doing it. And that's what I try to do with whatever I do. I try to show y'all that I'm doing it. So to basically, like, on entrepreneur stuff, like, you're gonna lose friends, families, you're gonna lose people that that you was once hanging with, because they don't want to do what you do. So you're gonna be alone, basically. Most of the time you're gonna be alone, and you're gonna feel like, dang, is this the right way to do it? But I'm telling y'all, it is the right way to do it, because those people that didn't chose that route, they're gonna be stuck working that job for 20-30 years. Time is going by. Their youth, they could have did it while you was doing it. Now, wherever age you started, their time they're gonna be old, and it's gonna be too late for them to do it. So the fact that you made that sacrifice, the fact that you took that time to really do it at an early age, you're gonna see your reward early. And there's some entrepreneurs that make millions of dollars in their 20s and 30s. Y'all see the videos on YouTube talking about how they make millions of dollars doing drop shipping and stuff like that. You know, some people really made that. So that could be you too. So you know, y'all already know I got music. Never gave up. You know, y'all can check out my channels. I give y'all gems on the music. I'm telling y'all, go listen to the music. Like, if I'm a rapper and I'm rapping, I'm talking about to give y'all knowledge. You know what I mean? That's what I do. I give y'all free knowledge. All I ask for y'all to do is subscribe. You know, if you're new, make sure if you just jumping in here, subscribe this channel and like this video, man. Support me. But yeah, so like so let's talk about the money you can make. If you're a musician, if you're a singer, you can make money. You can upload your art and you can put it on YouTube. You know, you can make passive income. So If you don't know the difference between passive and active, active is you going into your job, you sacrificing your time, and they give you a paycheck. Passive is you do the work one time, and that money keeps coming in for forever. You know, as long as you put it on the internet, it's there. You know, till the internet is gone, the internet ain't going nowhere. So you put it out on the internet, and it just keeps constantly growing. You can pour money into whatever project you're doing, and it'll grow faster. So the more money you spend on your art, it's like betting. Like you go to the casino, you gotta bet on these machines. You can bet on yourself, and the more money you put into yourself, the more money you're gonna get. So yeah, so you can start music, stuff like that. So y'all know I do music, so I can show y'all know that I'm really doing it. Another way is to make websites. You can have a website. You could be a small business owner like myself. I sell clothes on my website. That's cheap. You spend like $30 a month. You know what I'm saying? On just basically, you know, having your website on the web. That's not that bad. And you know, you can sell to millions around the world. You know what I mean? Whatever you're trying to sell. Another way is you can run ads on your website. Y'all gotta excuse my cat acting bad. But you can run ads on your website. That's another thing that I just did actually. I'm running ads right now on my website. So that's another way to make money on streaming. So you can have like AdSense and running like ads on your website, and they'll pay you. Another way is YouTube. So that's AdSense too. YouTube will pay you for running ads on this video. Y'all might see a few ads on this video. You know, if you click them ads, you know what I'm saying, and you buy some, you get paid for that. So yeah, so you can make money off. That's 3 right there. You know, the website, YouTube, and music right there. So there's really money to be made out here on the internet. So for you to say there ain't no money is just you saying like, man, I ain't trying to go get it. So I hope this is motivation for anybody that's trying to be an entrepreneur. It is a hard route at first, but once you get into like rhythm of you doing it for so long, I've been doing this for like 8 years. You know, I started in 2014. So once you get in the rhythm of doing this, like it's like nothing. It's like it's real easy because you're used to it and stuff like that. Yeah, you're gonna take some losses, and yeah, you might lose some friends, but think about it like this. You'll be financially free, you'll be your own boss, and basically you ain't got to worry about being on time, going to some other person's company and the owner ain't never there and you barely getting paid anything. You